Welcome to the first quarter 2025 webinar from Westpath. My name is Joe Halwax, Senior Managing Director of Institutional Investment Services, coming to you from our offices in Glenview, Illinois. I want to thank all of our clients for your partnership and your trust in Westpath to steward your assets and support your missions. We know there's anxiety given the stock and bond market volatility, and as your partner, we'll continue to communicate frequently with webinars such as this and regular updates. Westpath is here for you, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your Westpath relationship manager. We've got a great webinar for you today. First, I'm joined by my colleague Hua, Westpath's Director of Public Markets. Hua and I are going to attempt to make sense of what's been a wild 3.5 months to start this year. We'll cover the major headlines from Q1, and we'll dive deep into the tariff tantrum of early April. After that, Karen will join me to review fund performance for the first quarter. And we'll conclude with a great segment from our impact investing team, Sylvia and Trent, highlighting a new investment strategy focused on positive impact in Africa. As always, all these segments are available together or individually on our website. Before we begin, a reminder on our quarterly investor letter. In this quarter's letter, we dive into the market's reaction to tariffs and the Trump administration's emerging economic agenda. Beyond just the tariff headlines, we try to examine more of the bigger picture, explaining what major economic changes this administration might be trying to make and how that might impact markets. We also highlight our Client Asset Allocation Committee and explain how we try to build customized client portfolios that can weather various market conditions, including volatility that we've seen this year. You can read the letter by scanning the QR code. Finally, our Chief Investment Officer, Johara, shared even more about the context of tariff-induced volatility in a brief note to investors last week. Johara gave a great breakdown of what happened and what seemed to cause it, and she explained how it impacted Westpath's investors. A major theme here was the opportunity for institutional investors with long-term focus. Though the volatility was significant, and though we still face questions on the true impact of tariffs, we've seen stock markets rebound from even the most monumental moments. Johara explains more in her note, which you can check out via the QR code here now. Now let's get on to the webinar.